Hello all, welcome to Basicity of Amines part 5. Please check the videos, the part 1 till 4. The link is over here, okay, at this part. Okay, now what we have to remember is, suppose we are having aniline, we are having lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron is something that will let it be a base. If this particular species wants to be a better base, the density of electron over here should be more. If by any means, if you lessen the density over here, then this will be a weak base. Now, which among these is a better base, that we will come to know. This is parachloroaniline, because it is at the para position. This is metachloroaniline, this is orthochloroaniline, and this is aniline. Now, which among these will be the better base, that we will check out. Now, the chlorine group is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws the electron. It will withdraw the electron towards itself. Therefore, the density of electron here will become less. That means these three species, the para, meta, ortho, where we are having the chlorine, they will be weaker base than the aniline, because it doesn't have any electron withdrawing group. So aniline becomes the better base among these four. Now, what will happen for the next three cases, that we will check out. Now, in the para position, meta and the ortho, just remember chlorine, it shows resonance effect, and it will show negative inductive effect. Chlorine has lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electron can be donated and it can go for the resonance, but at the same time it also has inductive effect, negative inductive effect. Negative inductive effect means it will pull the electron towards itself. Since it pulls the electron towards itself, it will be it will make it less basic. Regarding orthoaniline, due to the ortho effect, that is the least basic. So most basic is aniline and the least basic is the ortho. Among para and meta, which one will be the better base, that we will check. For para position, if you remember, negative charge is here, negative charge was here, negative charge was here for the hybrid structure. That means at para position we are having plus R effect going on as well as negative inductive effect. Because of these two factors, parachloroaniline, it is better base. Now, what about the meta thing? For meta, plus R effect is not functioning. Plus R effect is not functioning because the negative charges are over ortho and para position. So only negative inductive effect is working on, so it will be less basic than the para. So aniline is a better base than the parachloroaniline, which is a better base than the metachloroaniline, followed by the ortho one. Now, what will happen in this case? Which among these will be the more basic? This is aniline. Here we are having NH2. This is N-methyl aniline. This is NN dimethyl aniline. So which among these will be more basic? Just remember, more basic means the electron density here should be more. Any factor that increases the electron density here will be the most basic one among these three. Now, here we are having HH, here we are having CH3H, CH3, now 2 CH3. Now we should understand that CH3 is electron donating group. It is electron donating group. So since it is electron donating group, what it will do? It will shift the electron density towards N. Since it is shifting the electron density towards N, the density of electron here becomes more. This CH3 also, it will shift the electron density towards this nitrogen, thereby increasing the electron density here. Now here we are having 2 CH3, Here we are having only one CH3. So this is more powerful or more basic than this part. So this is more basic. In this case we are having 2H. There is no CH3. So aniline is less basic than this. So this is the order. This is the most basic, followed by this, followed by this. One more thing we have to note, that if you replace H with electron donating group, basicity increases. But if you replace this H with electron withdrawing group, the basicity will decrease. Now what will happen in these examples, which is more basic, and just now I have mentioned it, electron withdrawing groups. If we are having electron withdrawing group, then it will decrease the basicity. Now this ring over here, the aromatic ring, it is electron withdrawing group. So that means more the number of this ring, less will be the basicity. The reason being, this electron over here, the electron density, it is shifted towards the aromatic ring. So 3 ones are pulling. So if 3 people are pulling, it is like a weak base. Now regarding this is aniline, this is diphenylamine, this is triphenylamine. Now in the case of aniline, we are having only one aromatic ring. In the case of diphenylamine, we are having 2 aromatic rings. That means 2 aromatic rings are pulling the electron density towards itself. That means aniline is more basic. Now regarding these two cases, here we are having 2 aromatic rings, here we are having 3 aromatic rings. So diphenylamine is a better base than the triphenylamine. What will happen in this case? Just remember the aromatic ring here, it is having a negative inductive effect. It will try to take the electron density towards itself. Okay, therefore making it less basic. Now in this case, what is happening? The aryl group, it is being broken. It is not in direct coordination with the nitrogen over here. So what will happen? This lone pair will not come to this aromatic ring because of the hindrance of this CH2. So the aryl alkyl amines, the aryl group here, aryl alkyl is this group. Aryl alkyl amines are better base than the aryl amine. This is aryl amine. Aryl means the aromatic ring over here, it is aryl. Aryl amine is less basic than the aryl alkyl amine. One more thing that we have to note this, the aryl alkyl amines, they are better bases than ammonia. They are better bases than, this is aryl alkyl amine, they are better bases than ammonia, but less basic than the alkyl amines. The alkyl amines. This question had appeared in Kerala CET, Jammu and Kashmir CET, Odisha JEE, and so many other exams. Arrange the following ones in the increasing order of their basicity. Please do comment below.